Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix. I hope you've all had a fantastic day and welcome to day number 7 of my 12 days of Christmas. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by to see what's going on here at Angela's Fashion Mix. And I also invite you to look at prior videos so you can see what typically happens outside of the 12 days of Christmas. So as you know, if you saw video number 6, I was inspired to create a sleigh inspired by Mackenzie-Childs. I've been following Mackenzie-Childs for a while, just kind of looking at different things, and there is quite a bit of product from the brand Mackenzie-Childs, and it's black and white, which of course is what originally drew me to it, and just some phenomenal pieces. And because of the time of year, I thought I would try to create a sleigh that is inspired by one of their pieces. So I showed you part 1, the taping and kind of how to create the pattern in the black and white. It's checker board style, that design. So that was what the part 1 was. So I finished all of that. Took a little time for the paint to dry in between the taping. So that's what pulled this into this video. So it is now complete. I am happy to say. Now, in full disclosure, I had to touch up a little bit of a couple little areas in the process. And instead of painting, because I had the base color there in black, just touched it up with the black magic marker, and that worked out great. So I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. So I'm pretty sure I will tackle something else in the not too distant future. I absolutely love the black and white print. So it's done. And also in this video, Friday night, I mentioned that the kids with their gingerbread house contest was a part of my Friday, as well as the choir celebration. That was a part of Friday as well. Well, today I went to the Women's Ministry annual luncheon, and that was so much fun. And I am just including one of the games that we played. If you are a competition kind of person and you're looking for something fun for your family and friends to do, check out, I don't know the official name of it. It involved cotton balls and a bowl and a spoon. You'll see it. So it was just a lot of fun. And the food, of course, there would be food. And I eat bread pudding just very randomly. I don't seek it out. If it's there, I'll try it. This was some of the best I have ever had. And just to go back to get the bread pudding, because my husband really loves bread pudding. We're going to introduce him to the bread pudding. So it was that good. We're approaching 30,000 subscribers. We're not very far away. If I can inspire you to share with some friends or family to just come over here and check out Angela's Fashion Mix, I would like to see that subscribership with a 3 in front of it. So we're trying to get there. So if you will help me out with that, that would be greatly appreciated.
So let's check out my Mackenzie-Childs inspired sleigh DIY. And here it is. Now, disregard the plate to the right. That's a thrifted find for decor. But I love how the sleigh came out. Now, if you're looking for the imperfections, you'll see them. If not, you won't. Overall, I'm very thrilled with how this came out. Now, the Mackenzie piece actually has a gold trim on the bottom with the metal on the bottom. And so I used an antique gold. I didn't want the bright, shiny gold, so that is there if you can see that. And I don't know exactly where this will live for the rest of the holiday. But for right now, it's on the top of the island right here. And I love it. I don't know that I'll put anything in it. And even if I don't, I love how this looks. If you're new to the channel, I absolutely love Christmas. And I'm loving this sleigh. So if you are a DIYer, this may be something you want to take a stab at. There will be other pieces that I'm going to do. I now know that that's going to happen, so I will share that at a later time. Now I probably need to paint the reindeer, or maybe find another reindeer to go with the sleigh. But something probably needs to adjust in this picture. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, I am well pleased. What do you think?
Sunday, as a reminder, I will be live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That will be the video for tomorrow, live at 7 p.m. And I look forward to seeing you all there. I do hope you can join. Until then, everyone have a wonderful night, and I will see you on Sunday.
Spigot. Faucet. It's a sheep. Animal. There you go, scoop them up. You got it. Y'all gotta help me out. Where's the body? Come keep it going. You gotta scoop them up. If you are scooping, you weren't getting it.